In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can block somebody on Instagram without them knowing. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. The first thing you'll want to go ahead and do is open up your Instagram app on your mobile phone. And then once you've opened up your Instagram app, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and head over to my profile. And then once I've headed over to my profile, as you can see, I have no followers and I am following no one as it's a brand new account. So I'm just going to click on followers, and then I'll find someone random who I can show you this for on this example. So here I'm going to go ahead and click on this top profile here. And if you want to go ahead and block somebody without them knowing, all you need to simply go ahead and do is click on the three dots in the top right corner of the page. And then as you can see there's an option there for block. Go ahead, select that. And then once you select a block, as you can see, they won't be able to find your profile, post or story on Instagram. Instagram won't let them know that you've blocked them. So if you go ahead and block somebody, guys, they will not know that you have blocked them. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.